In this video, we will see the second part of 5-year plans. Seventh 5-year plan, 1985 to 90. Points to be remembered. First, under the leadership of Rajiv Gandhi. Shortcut trick: EFGH alphabets. First E for employment generation. Second F for food grain production was doubled. 3 G for Jawahar Rojgar Yojana. Fourth H for Hindu rate of growth. Eighth 5-year plan, 1992 to 1997. Points to be remembered under the leadership of P.V. Narasimha Rao. Shortcut trick: LPG. L for liberalization, P for privatization, G for globalization. Ninth 5-year plan, 1997 to 2002. Points to be remembered. First, under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Second, main focus: growth and social justice and equality. Shortcut trick: ESPN. E for employment for human SCs, S for 7 basic minimum service, P for Panchayat Raj institutions, primary education, public distribution systems, N for nutrition security. 10th 5-year plan, 2002 to 2007. Points to be remembered under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh. Aim to double per capita income in next 10 years. Aim to reduce poverty. 11th 5-year plan, 2007 to 2012. Points to be remembered under the leadership of Manmohan Singh, prepared by C. Rangarajan. Theme: rapid and more inclusive growth. Shortcut trick: teachers. T for telecommunications, E for electricity environment science, A for anemia, C for clean water, H for health education, E for environment science, R for rapid growth, S for skill development. 12th 5-year plan, 2012 to 17. Under the leadership of Manmohan Singh. Second theme: faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. Thank you.